How you doing? My name is Mike Ulrich. I'm here today at MarineMax Venice. Today I'm going to give you a video walkthrough on the 2023 Sea Ray 400 SLX. This is the largest of the Sea Ray fleet, and it's a great boat to entertain on. Starting off on the back of the boat, you're going to see this one comes equipped with twin Mercury 600 V12s. That's right, the biggest and baddest come on this bad boy. It's awesome. Check the back of it. This is going to be a large sun pad. You'll notice that the interior of this boat is done in the stone gray interior. You can do it in the white ivory or the dune. The gray is a little more modern, and the sea deck is color coordinated to match. Right here, this is a large drop-down wing that is set up to extend the swim platform and kind of give you a whole beach party pad. Can't lower it while it's in the lift, but watch for more. Come back to this location and see it. You can see it live in person. Large cockpit, set up for awesome entertaining. You can fill as many people as you'd like on this boat and entertain them while you do it. More seating over here. This one's going to have a Kenyan cooktop. You can opt for dual cooktops if you want. Below, you're going to have two refrigerators and a trash receptacle located right there. A freshwater sink, keep your hands dry. Over here, you'll notice this little hole. This is actually a setup for your TV mount. That's right, you can have a flat screen put out on this boat, plug it in, got your cable right there so you can watch the game while you're out on the water. Full surshade on the top. This will deploy all the way back to the engines, giving you shade underneath the entire boat. But if you want to have a little bit of sun, you can get the sunroof action. So you can get that, open up, enjoy that, have a nice view, look at the stars, watch the fireworks on the 4th of July, and entertain. Over here at the helm station, this is your command center. You're going to have twin SIMRADs, and this one is going to have your Sea Ray switching in it. So you can operate the lights and control everything from the boat right here within the screen, or go to your home screen, check out your charts, and set it up whatever is functional to you. These screens are duplicates, so you can set them up to be the same, switching back and forth, whatever is most comfortable. LED switching below, nice and labeled. Over here, you're going to notice that this one is equipped with the Seakeeper gyro. So no matter what conditions, you're going to go out, and this boat's going to give you that ride that Sea Ray is known for. Right here, your new Mercury DTS throttles, push to start, which I think is a cool feature, of course. And then over here, you're going to have your joystick. So this boat's going to come equipped with your Skyhook and autopilot setup. Twin bolster bucket seats for the captain. So you can each sit them individually. You can change the distance to and from the dash, drop that bolster down, so no matter what, you're comfortable. Over here on the passenger side, you have a double wide seat with a single bolster on it. This seat does swivel, so no matter how you're setting up for entertainment that day, you can relocate this seat for the most optimal position. This one does have a full cabin on it. So below, if you want to take a peek down there, you're going to have a full forward V berth with a mid berth located below, and then you're going to have a wet head in there as well. Let's take it on into the bow. Nice deep walkways coming forward. You're going to have 3 seats set up with individual drop-down armrests. That awesome diamond stitching that Sea Ray is known for on their SLS packages. And up on the front, you're going to have your spotlight as well as your windlass concealed below. Guys, I do not have the time to properly go through and show you everything on this boat. So guess what? If you want to learn more, you're going to have to come here and see it. Again, my name is Mike Ulrich. This is located at MarineMax Venice. Thanks for watching.